Hi, my name is Jim Halliburton, also known as the HMO Daddy, and I want to tell you about a fantastic new course we're doing, How to Create Wealth Through Property. If you want to sack your boss, you want to become financially independent, if you want to have the time for your family, freedom to do whatever you want, this is a course for you.
So on the day, we're going to be talking about the mindset that you need to succeed. What you think is going to result in what you're going to achieve. This is really important concept, so make sure you're there on the day and make sure you're getting the most important information from the experts in the game.
We're going to teach you how to turn a 2 and 3 bedroom house into a HMO to triple the income.
You will learn how to do rent to rent, earn yourself additional monthly income without even owning a property.
We'll help you to gain momentum in your property journey so you've got the confidence to get out there and do it yourself.
And after a fantastic value-packed day, we'll be at the bar afterwards. You'll have a chance to ask us, the team, all the burning questions that you have regarding your own property journey.
So, come and see us on Saturday the 10th of November. Meet the team, ask whatever questions you want, learn loads, and by the way, lunch is on us. See you there.